One of the things that I hear from carpet cleaners all the time is that they struggle with average tickets. And so I'll talk to a lot of cleaners who are getting an average ticket of, let's say, $150 or $175, something less than $200. If I hear that a carpet cleaner is getting an average ticket of under $200, typically that tells me that even if they were to invest in some sort of a paid marketing program, it wouldn't be long before they ran out of money, simply because they're not collecting enough money from every single customer that they go out and serve in order to make a decent return on investment on their paid marketing. And Google's expensive, Yelp is expensive, Facebook ads can be expensive, any kind of decent paid marketing, but especially the good kind of paid marketing that's really going to bring you the best customers, it's going to be expensive. And the best thing that you can do in order to succeed with your marketing is to get a decent booking rate. So you want to book somewhere between 40 and 60% of the leads that you bring in. And then to get a decent average ticket once you book the job. So if your average ticket's only $150 and it's costing you $75, $100 to acquire a new customer, you're not leaving yourself a lot of profit after you account for all the other expenses in your business. So really what we want to see from our clients at BookCleaningJobs is an average ticket of $250 or more. And that's pretty easy to achieve. So today I'm going to show you how you can boost your carpet cleaning average ticket to $250 or even more. And it's actually really simple to do. So the first thing that I want you to know is that a low average ticket, something like $150 average ticket, anything under $200 is really not going to be fun over the long haul, right? If you're sending trucks out on the road, employees out on the road at some point to go collect $150 average tickets, you're going to be spending a lot of money to make very little money. It's also not going to be very scalable. You're going to have a hard time investing in the right marketing and a hard time investing in the best employees and the best equipment if you're not collecting more money on average from every customer that you serve. So you don't want to stay stuck in this position. If you're not getting at least a $200 average ticket, then you want to get out of that position as quickly as possible and get your average ticket up, because it's going to open up a lot more doors for you in your cleaning business. It's going to help you make a lot more money, because when you start collecting a decent average ticket, you're going to be able to get better equipment, invest in better chemicals. You're going to get into better neighborhoods and have better customers that are easier to work with, people more likely to leave you reviews, to tell their friends about you, to have you back the next year, to hire you for other services. You're also going to be able to invest in better employees, right? To go out and hire the best people possible to go out and represent your cleaning company and help you scale this thing up. So you really can't stay stuck on these sub $200 average tickets. You've got to get over $200. There's a really simple way to do it. It's called the whole home cleaning special. This is my favorite way to do it. There's a lot of ways to do this. Obviously, you could just add other services. You could say, I'm going to do upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning. And every single time somebody calls me, I'm going to offer them those services. And on average, every time I get a call, 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 4 is going to take my upsell, and then I'll be in the money. You could do that if you're a really strong salesperson on the phone and you feel comfortable doing that sort of thing and you think that you'll be successful with it, go for it. Some people are really good at phone sales. Some people are not so good at phone sales. Some people find it awkward. So this is actually a special that I came up with while I was running my cleaning business. I shouldn't say I came up with it. I'm sure I had seen something like this elsewhere. I'm not the first person in the world to run a whole home cleaning special for my cleaning business. But the way that we did it, I think, was pretty smart in that it brought us the right kind of customers. It got us into higher end homes. It brought us higher average tickets, which allowed us to grow our business a lot quicker and to hire and for me to get out of the van a lot faster. And we hit 6 figures in our first year, mostly because we were able to collect a decent average ticket. So between figuring out our advertising and then collecting a decent average ticket, we were able to hit 6 figures very quickly and then start hiring. And that's just a lot better position to be in than taking on customers for $100, $150 a time. That can be a grind, right? Your equipment's going to wear out. Your back's going to wear out. Your attitude's going to wear out. You're not going to want to do that for the long haul. Put this whole home cleaning special in place. I'm going to explain exactly how it works. This is going to help you quickly boost your average ticket and help you make more profit in your business, because every time you bring in a new customer, on average, you're not going to make $150. You're going to make $250 or $300 or $350 or more, depending on what your pricing looks like. And if you're thinking that this isn't going to work for you in your area, maybe you have a lot of competition, maybe some of your competitors are pretty inexpensive, maybe they're doing 2 rooms for $59 or something like that, don't worry about it. This can be implemented just about anywhere. I've had clients in small rural areas do this. I've had clients in big cities do this. I've had clients in the suburbs. I've had clients in the Midwest, on the East Coast, on the West Coast, all over the place. And I personally did this. Again, I did this in my own carpet cleaning business. So I can tell you that this works. It's very simple to sell. One of the reasons I really like it is because it's not awkward to sell. It's actually a service to your customer by offering them this whole home cleaning. Your higher end customers are going to appreciate this. So it makes it very easy to sell. People appreciate it. They like to buy it. And it's just going to make your life a lot easier. So let me explain exactly how it works. What most cleaners do when they want to win customers is they put together some sort of a spectacular door busting price that they think will attract the most customers possible. And some people take this to the extreme. Some people do things like 2 rooms for $59 or $20 a room. You've all seen the yard signs, right? You don't want to be that guy. The thing is, the price that you advertise is going to determine the type of clients that you attract. So if you're advertising to everybody that you do 2 rooms for $59, then you're going to get a lot of phone calls from people who only have $59 in their pocket. Some people, they wise up and they say, I'm actually going to run a 3-room special and I'm going to charge a decent price for this. When I was cleaning carpets, I started out, I think it was 3 rooms for $99. We quickly raised it to 3 rooms for $120. That was like 6-7 years ago. In your market, you might want to charge higher prices than that now. We have clients who do 3 rooms for $150, 3 rooms for $180, 3 rooms for $225. It depends on your market. But some cleaners, they say, okay, great. I'm going to do a 3-room special then, and I'll give a more realistic price. So let's say 3 rooms for $149. You charge about $50 a room. That's a decent price. You figure some people are going to call you and they'll have extra rooms and you'll be able to get those higher tickets. Or some people will call and maybe they'll have upholstery and you'll be able to get those higher tickets. The problem is that you end up getting a lot of people who reach out to you and they say, great, I saw your 3-room special. And you go, okay, awesome. It's $149, 3 rooms. We include cleaning, deodorizer, and I can be there on Thursday, right? You booked the job, you made $150. You might have thought in the back of your mind, maybe I should upsell this person. Maybe I should offer them, see if they need pet treatment. That's a good idea. Definitely see if they need pet treatment, charge for that. You might have thought to yourself, maybe I should offer a protector. Maybe I should ask if they have any furniture they need cleaned or any rugs or anything else like that. But a lot of times it's awkward to ask those questions because it sounds like you're trying to sell them something else, right? Trying to get them to cough up, hey, what else is in your house? What else could I clean for you to make it worth my time to come out there? That can be a little awkward. It can be a little difficult. So what I found a lot easier to do is to just offer something like a whole home cleaning special. And you don't actually go out and clean their whole home. What I did is 4 rooms, 1 hallway, 1 staircase. So my whole home cleaning special covers 4 rooms because I found that most of my customers, especially when I got out into these nicer homes out in the suburbs, newer neighborhoods, bigger houses, where I was really getting a decent average ticket anyways, I found that a lot of those customers had at least 3 bedrooms of carpet. And then they'd have a hallway between, and then they'd have a staircase going down from the hallway. So there you go, 3 rooms, a hallway, and a staircase. Lo and behold, a lot of those customers would also have a living room, a den, a game room, a loft, another bedroom, something else, some other carpet in the house. So they would end up having at least 4 rooms, a hallway, and a staircase. My whole home cleaning special was a perfect fit for that. It was also a perfect fit because people would call and say, hey, I saw your 3-room price. I've actually got 4 rooms and a hallway, or I've got 4 rooms and a staircase. And that's your trigger, right? That's your cue. That's how you know when you've got a potential fit, not for your 3-room special, right? Normally you would settle for that 3 rooms, $149, then you might price them out for an extra room. No. Now that you're offering 4 rooms, a hallway, and a staircase for $299. And by the way, I'm going to tell you how you can pump up the value on that so that your customers really want to take this offer instead of the 3-room offer. Now that you have this whole home cleaning special available, you can do your customer a service and you can let them know, ma'am, sir, it sounds like you have 4 rooms and a staircase. Do you happen to have a hallway too? If you have a hallway in there, we have a whole home cleaning special. That's $299. It'd be a perfect fit for you. We include pre-treatment, cleaning, deodorizer, and we also throw in stain protector with that. So if you're looking for Scotch Guard, we'll protect all your carpet. That's included. That's what you can throw in to make it an extra, add that extra sizzle. It's like an extra premium on top of what you normally offer. It makes it a great deal because people know they normally have to pay extra for that protector. But in this case, they're doing the math in their head and they're thinking, all right, this guy charges about $50 a room. So 4 rooms would be $200. A staircase, let's say he charges another $50 for that. It's $250. The hallway is going to be at least, I don't know, $20, $25. We're at $275 now. And then he's going to protect it all too for another $24. Yeah, man, that's a screaming deal. Let's go for it. So those customers that have bigger houses that like to take care of their stuff, right? They like to take care of their carpets, have them cleaned regularly. They're highly likely to take you up on this offer. And it's an easy sell because you're not asking, what else do you have in the house that I could clean? You're just suggesting to them that it sounds like they're really close to being able to take advantage of this awesome whole home cleaning special that you have. It's a much better value than your basic 3-room cleaning. And if they have an extra hallway or if they have a staircase or something, this would really be a better deal. And then you can work out per room, per staircase, per hallway pricing, pet treatment, all that stuff. The thing is, these whole home cleaning deals, you're not just going to suddenly go from collecting an average ticket of $149 to collecting an average ticket of $299. It's going to boost your average ticket up above $200 pretty quickly when you start to implement this, especially if you do it consistently when you're answering calls. The real secret here is that you're going to get into bigger houses. And when you start to get into bigger houses, you're going to get into situations where customers don't have just 4 rooms, a hallway, and a staircase. They've got 7 rooms and 2 staircases and 2 hallways, and they have 3 little dogs that have peed on the carpet. And oh, by the way, I didn't know you did furniture. We've got a sectional down in the basement. The dogs love to sleep on it, right? You're going to get into situations where you've suddenly got a $700 average ticket, an $800 average ticket. And these are going to be people who are highly likely to leave you a review, to refer you to their friends. If you're working in their nice neighborhood, their fancy houses, their neighbors are going to see you. They're going to want to work with you too. So if everything else adds up and you do a great job for these customers, and they can refer you to their friends, this is a great way to get into those higher end neighborhoods and get you those higher tickets that are going to help you make more money, keep more of it, right? In terms of profit, hire people, get the best equipment, and scale your carpet cleaning business a lot quicker. This is honestly the best way that I've found to do it. I've helped a lot of cleaners implement this in their business. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, let me know. But take this, go put it into your business, use it consistently. Every time you get a call that sounds like they'd be a good fit for your whole home cleaning. And by the way, you don't need to do $299. You can price it however you want, right? 4 rooms, a hallway, staircase for about $250 to $350, somewhere in there, depending on market. That's done really well for me. I like to include everything with it, the pre-treatment, the deodorizing. I don't include the pet treatment. You can sell that for extra, but I throw in the protector. So if you're not selling protector, this is actually a great way for you to start selling more protector, because these customers, they'll enjoy getting that protector on their carpet. So I hope this was helpful. This is the easiest way I've found to boost your average tickets and to boost your profits in your cleaning business. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll talk to you later.